So what's going on?
This isn't going to be able to be put in here unless we remove one of the pieces.
Oh,
I forgot about that.
Here, can we... Well, yeah, we won't even be able to do that. We'll definitely need to remove that.
However, we do plan to remove the supercharger anyways, so I think we can just remove the lower intake manifold as well.
Wouldn't it be easier just to pull this?
Yeah, it would be.
But we got to pull this anyways. Put a gasket in it. So we
Yeah,
might
that's
as well
true.
pull that.
We haven't put a gasket under there yet. Yeah, we do. I should have thought about that.
But I'm not sure where this one goes.
It might be that one.
No, because look at that. It goes in more.
Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be.
Well, I don't think.
This is definitely... Well, no, it's not long enough. Yeah.
Exactly.
Are you Fortnite?
I don't remember where this one goes though.
Fortnite dance.
Fortnite?
That wasn't Fortnite.
Do it! Do the dance!
Floss!
I'll shoot whoever does a Fortnite dance.
There you go. Alright, so we've made some more decisions here. Since we're going to be relocating the battery, we could actually just put the coils right there, or somewhere, you know, like wherever. We cannot fit the meth kit up here, so that's just a perfect spot for the plugs. Yeah, something like that even.
Yeah,
Literally just drill through here, or however.
Self-tapping bolts right here.
Just keep them on there.
That would be fine. Or there.
And then we can route the plugs to the passenger side bank and then around to the driver's side. And
I don't know how you would feel about that.
we're going to have to make some custom spark plug wires, but we already got those.
We can clamp on that.
You can remove this.
Yeah,
No,
you can
but if it
remove
comes up enough, we can use that to clamp it. Should we get an idea?
We got this coolant elbow in here. Basically, we just unbolted this, moved it, and got it in. We also got all the tape off this thing pretty much, and the supercharger sucks real good. It's very loud.
Misaligned.
Like it's not already. It's okay.
Eat.
Oh yeah, where's the hammer? You need to do some more beating.
We did a little bit of beating in there to get the firewall
Massaging.
massaged in there.
Where'd you put it?
We definitely need more, and I mean, we'll get a better idea once we have the engine in here. We still need to power wash this whole thing.
Here you go. Beat it. Beat down the firewall.
Oh my god. That's fucking expensive.
ABS is gone.
There you go.
You don't need brakes when dragging.
What the fuck?
You just gotta worry about
I
speed.
didn't do it.
How's that put back? Fucker.
Alright.
No, 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 no!
Just take the fucking windshield right out.
That's fine. I can replace
I
that.
don't want you to replace it.
Yeah, Isaiah can make some money.
I gotta buy my
There you go,
turbos.
boys. She's done.
She's good as new. Better than new.
Okay, so we can try taking this engine out. Like, I mean, there's no reason we couldn't do that right now.
Man, beat it.
Yeah, so it's just like your Trans Am. So we had to lift his engine when we were doing his oil pan on his Trans Am, but the motor mount right here, that bolt it just slides all the way through. You remove that on that side, remove it on the other side, and then there's nothing holding this engine on, and then we can just take all of the harness out of it and put this to the side. We might need to grab one of those tires over there to settle it on there.
So want the engine hoist? The hoist
We will need to, yeah. So we'll get the engine hoist out and start working on this. All right, we're going to be lifting off the engine hopefully here. We got the motor mounts disconnected. Hopefully this doesn't snap. If it does, we'll need to go buy some chain or something.
Let's see it moving.
What's that? There we go. Oh, keep going.
Oh, there we go.
Careful with it.
Okay. So.
That exhaust.
Yeah,
Caught.
I know, it's fine. As long as we can lift it off, I think it's going to be fine. Because that way we can at least get it off the cradle, readjust it, and then...
Alright, hang on. So,
Oh, the steering arm.
it's getting stuck on this, so loosen up a little bit. Just like a little bit. Keep going. There. Alright, well. Oh, shit, okay. Shit. It's good, it just needs to get off.
There's some harness parts we need to disconnect. You have the, what's it called around here, those clamps? Oh, no, those weren't even attached,
What
remember?
is this? Is this... This can stay with the car.
Yeah, it's disconnected.
Okay. So everything should
Let's try walking it backwards.
Oh. Okay. I think it needs more. It needs to be higher than here, I think.
Yeah, it's just the exhaust we're kind of running into. All right. It is free. Man, we should probably
going?
get rid of this exhaust.
Yeah, you probably need to swing that exhaust out of the way.
Would it be possible for the engine to sit on here?
On the thing?
Or could we put some like boards so it could sit? Because we didn't need the clutch off.
Yeah, and
Well, I
also
guess we
the
could-
oil pan.
I think the exhaust needs to go like right now.
Yeah,
Can we just cut it like right here?
it won't cut. It's too strong.
Oh.
I already tried, remember?
Cut the bolts.
Yeah.
Well, the bolts are going to be even stronger. The bolts are the strongest part. I'd say let's try just getting the impact on it because they're just studs. I'll just try doing that first.
Alright, I mean,
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna
You have one of
happen.
those tree burrs I gave you?
Oh, yeah, that might work.
I guarantee those will.
An air grinder through it. Let's just try the impact first because like just break them off.
Okay. Looks like a 15, maybe?
Let me set up my
Penetrating fluid.
deploying tripod.
We want some of this on there?
I think this might be a bit too small. I think this is a 14. It's getting the shit out of me. Yeah.
How's it going?
Good.
Looks like you guys got
Making
it.
progress.
It's really hard.
Try and keep that engine from moving.
Yeah, okay.
It'll help him.
I want to get my air grinder on or something. For my air impact on it. Excuse me. 15 barely fit it. Now 14 of them.
Could be standard.
Yeah. I don't have standard impact.
What about these? So you can
Let me try it.
put what's between the 15 now?
I'm back.
For this one? I mean, that seems like it's working, right?
Yeah, but I'd prefer it better. Way too
It's
thick.
too big. Alright. About 5/8.
5 fits might work.
No? Still too small.
Too big.
I feel like this one will just be too small.
Yep.
So it has to be metric.
It's not metric, but yeah, it's something in between. Jesus.
It broke.
It broke, nice. That makes it easier. That one is
Honestly.
basically off. That's what happened with Isaiah's. They all just broke off when we did his exhaust.
Oh, sweet Jesus. Yes.
No, don't do that side yet. Let's just do the other one.
Oh, you mean the heat shielding?
No, we're talking about your exhaust.
These ones.
Oh yeah, all those broke.
We busted quite a few of those.
Are we gonna have to get this one too?
Oh, is
to
this
get this
recording?
off or not?
What are you talking about?
Is this little bolt holding the heat shield on? Does that does this whole piece need to come off?
No.
Okay.
See, it's a collector right here.
I didn't know.
Can you hold this one? This one's gonna break too. And I can't get on this one. You need to like maybe lift it higher or something.
Let's do it. Give it the beans, Vince.
I'm gonna go slow because I don't know how much that strap's ready for.
Yeah.
Did you guys already dent that new oil pan?
If that oil pan dies, that sounds like.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
I need that one.
Alright, that works. Alright, I need someone to hold this so it doesn't move.
Right. Oh yeah. Hopefully they all just break. Nice.
come off. Yeah. Throw that garbage away. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, we need to walk it back. We need to get it on there.
We want it right here?
Here, let's put it next to that engine. If we can.
Alright, Vince. You wanna try walking it like to the side and forward?
Careful.
I was gonna say straighten out that carpet first, because otherwise he's gonna be going over a whole bunch of rolls.
It's
Pull it back just a bit.
pull the thing just a little bit back.
Oh, watch it too. This is really wobbly.
So we're gonna have to probably have two people pushing, I think.
God, why did we put this?
Here, hang on,
part
hang on,
back?
yeah.
Go back.
There, just lift it. Lift the leg. That's it. Roll.
Where are the weights on that
I
side?
do not wanna. I don't wanna be like under the engine.
Here.
There. Now, come straight back.
You guys, you can't push it back that far. Move it back.
Yeah.
Keep it moving back a bit. Okay.
Clear.
Now we just need to push it and then lower it.
Isaiah, I'm probably gonna need your help.
Careful.
Okay, lower it. You know what? Actually, I think if it all the weight is on it, I think we can just pull it. Okay, I think we just pull the engine if
Okay.
you lower it all the way.
That's fine.
But it's sideways.
Your hands on it.
Here, like, stay.
Ready? Say one.
I don't know, just
You can drop it.
okay, go.
Yeah.
Honestly, that's just fine how it is.
Okay.
Isaiah, do you wanna
We can still get to the
we'll put
clutch.
some gloves on and we'll just move it a little bit.
We need to get the clutch off, and then we need to figure out a way to transition that engine, and then the other. Well, now we might even need a second engine stand, honestly, to remove the oil pan and everything easily.
Lower it a little bit more.
That's as far as it goes.
No, it doesn't. It goes down farther. It goes all the way down.
I mean, like, he's not holding it up any.
Yeah, I know, but it's just like that's good. That's way good. That's too good. All right. All right.
What are you trying to do?
So we're gonna try to position it straight, but also kind of more on the tire. So we're gonna have to lift up and then push.
And twist. Cool.
I just don't want us to break the oil pan, but it should be good.
It'll be fine on the tire.
All right. So,
Let's leave that on, just in case we need
no, I know. I just from the
Yeah.
clutch.
We should probably get an actual like chain or something. Or bolts. Like, we can bolt something to the front of the head and then one right here.
Yeah, well, the chain we have, it's got spots for bolts to go through, just like that, and you put one on one
we
head
need to
and
buy
one on
one
the
of
other in
those.
the front.
We have a lot to clean up. Dear God.
Are you okay, buddy?
Should be too hard to clean.
Yeah.
That one,
Watch it.
that.
I'm gonna clean this shit right now because I keep slipping in it.
Yeah, that's true.
So.
Alright, well, we're going to clean up and take a break, I think. We did make tons of progress. All three of these components are completely separated, transmission, engine, and front suspension. Can't remember, so. We're going to clean up and organize because we're a bit disorganized right now.
Okay, members off. I can go.
Alright, so we're all cleaned up here. there's it was pretty dirty. We weren't very organized, but we pretty much did everything that we wanted to do today. We have the complete suspension, or the engine out of the suspension here. Don't worry, this is not touching. It's just sitting there. Have the engine out. Things we still need to take off the engine. We need to take the clutch and flywheel off of this. We need to take the oil pan off of it, and then we still have some of this harness that we just need to route out of there. So we'll probably lift it back up and do that. Take all those things off. For this engine, we're going to be gone. Zoe and I are going to be gone for about a week. So Tristan will have time to clean up any of these accessories and paint them, because all we did was degrease them and power wash them. We also have the transmission here. Definitely needs to be cleaned. We'll cover it up and then just power wash it. And Tristan was thinking of even painting it, which would be pretty neat. So all in all, I mean, making pretty good progress here. Once we have everything from this engine on here and that all ready, we're ready to put this on the cradle there, roll it back, and then test fitment for the intake. We have a lot of parts that are being mailed at the moment. We have the Cobra intake, like I was talking about, which is just a silicone, like tight radius, 90-degree bend. That's coming in the mail. I still need to construct the plate and the intake bit that's going to attach it to it. Still need to either take it to Austin or buy a welder ourselves and weld it. And yeah, we have a lot of stuff coming. We also have the fuel lines for the Camaro coming, and the spark plug wires coming that we need to make as well. So we haven't really updated our checklist in a little bit, but we are definitely on track to getting some stuff done. There's plenty of things in here that we need to take off. Also, when we're gone, when Zoe and I are gone on our trip, the guys will definitely be working on this. They'll get the meth kit installed and some other stuff, and probably relocate the battery. With the actual location of some things, I mean, we're going to have our coils right in here, in the coil pack. Battery's going to be in the back, and we should definitely have plenty of room for all that. We're also able to get the wideband O2 out of the old exhaust. So we got this here. So things are looking pretty good. We're just going to end it off here, and thanks for watching.